Hello and welcome students in this biology video lecture. Today we are going to study one of the mechanism of respiration, and that is the breathing mechanism. Okay, so let us start with the definition of respiration and then we will study the breathing mechanism. Okay, so see, respiration is a biological process involving exchange of gases between the atmosphere and the lungs, and it results in the formation of ATP molecules. Okay. Now this respiration process actually takes place for the energy purpose, and the energy is released from the food. Okay, in the process of a respiration, right? So this respiration whole mechanism has the four steps. One is the breathing, in which the air is exchanged between atmosphere and lungs. In external respiration, air is exchanged or gases are exchanged between lungs and the capillaries, blood capillaries. And in internal respiration, in this mechanism, the oxygen and carbon dioxide transportation is involved, and cellular respiration involves the many biochemical changes, in which when oxygen enters inside cell, the oxygen cells में enter हो जाता है, then at that time it combines with the glucose, and oxidation of glucose is carried out. So these cellular respiration involves glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and electron transfer system. And at the end of a electron transfer system, the ATP molecules are released, which are used for different activities of the organism, right? So moving towards the breathing. Okay, so breathing is the physical and simple process in which the air is exchanged or gases are exchanged between atmosphere and lungs. Okay, lungs and atmosphere के बीच में जो exchange of gases होता है, that is simply called as a breathing. Okay, now this breathing mechanism involves inspiration and the expiration. Okay, these two events or these two steps in inspiration and expiration together form a breathing mechanism. Okay, now in this breathing mechanism, certain parts of a respiratory system are involved. So which are these parts? Let us see. So you can see this is the thoracic cage. So first part is the thoracic cage. So thoracic cage is actually made up of these white colored bones, you can see, or ribs. Okay, and these ribs are articulated with each other in this region. This is called the sternum. Okay, so the ribs, and in between the ribs there are yellow colored muscles. Okay, these muscles are called as intercostal muscles. So together these ribs, intercostal muscles and sternum, they form a thoracic cage. Okay, ये सब मिलके क्या बनाते हैं? thoracic cage. उसके बाद में यहाँ पे at the base of this thoracic cavity there is a muscular septum called as a diaphragm. Okay, so this is a muscular septum called as a diaphragm. So this thoracic cage, ribs, intercostal muscles and this diaphragm, they play very important role during inspiration and expiration. So uh, let us see now which type of movement takes place during the inspiration and expiration. So whatever the movement takes place, वो movement होने के लिए one thing is responsible, and that is very important, and that thing is a physical pressure gradient. Okay, so pressure gradient is the term or is the uh, reason due to which the inspiration and expiration takes place. So what is this pressure gradient? Pressure gradient is actually the difference between the uh, pressure of pressure present in the lungs and pressure present in the atmospheric air. Okay, सो ये दोनों का जो प्रेशर है वो प्रेशर में जो डिफरेंस है, ओके, दैट डिफरेंस इज एक्चुअली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस इंस्पायरेशन एंड expiration. Okay, so let us see during inspiration what type of movement takes place of this thoracic cage and this diaphragm. Okay, so during inspiration what happens, the yellow colored these intercostal muscle contracts. Okay, intercostal muscles contract, and due to contraction of these intercostal muscles, these ribs moves outward and upward. Okay, ribs in the sense all the ribs means thoracic cage, whole thoracic cage moves upward and outward. Okay, upward and outward. At the same time, the this diaphragm becomes flattened. This diaphragm becomes flattened. Normally it is a dome shape when it is in relaxed state. Now here in inspiration or during inspiration, this diaphragm also contracts, and during contraction it becomes flattened. Okay, ये थोड़ा सा move downward हो जाता है. Okay, diaphragm contracts and moves down. अब diaphragm downward हो गया, then this thoracic cage moves upward and outward. What happened due to this, the inner volume in the thoracic cage के अंदर जो भी volume है या जो भी space है, in that space whatever air present, the pressure on that air decreases. Okay, pressure on that air, that means pressure inside the thorax or thoracic cavity decreases. Okay, now so now there is a tendency of air की एक tendency होती है, air moves from high pressure to low pressure. Okay, अब यहाँ पे एक बात तो फिक्स हो गई कि due to upward and outward movement and flattening of this diaphragm, यहाँ पे लो प्रेशर क्रिएट हो गया, वॉल्यूम ज्यादा हो गया तो एयर प्रेशर लो हो गया. ओके, तो किसके कंपैरेटिव लो हो गया, तो ये एज कंपैरेटिव एटमॉस्फेरिक एयर का जो प्रेशर है उसके कंपैरेटिव यहाँ पे प्रेशर जो है वो क्या हो गया, कम हो गया. देन अल्टीमेटली नाउ द एयर विल रश इनसाइड द lungs. Okay, there is a tendency of air that air always moves from high pressure to the low pressure. तो यहाँ पे बाहर से एयर जो है वो थ्रू nostrils, then nasal chamber, then उसके बाद pharynx, larynx and then trachea थ्रू वो lungs में एयर एंटर हो जाती है, and then lungs जो है वो swell हो जाती है, and that is called as a inspiration, which is called as a inspiration or breathing in. Okay, simple it is. And at the same time उसके बाद expiration, which is exactly opposite to the inspiration. So what happens here, here also pressure gradient जो है वो work करता है. During expiration what happens, these intercostal muscles relax. Intercostal muscles क्या करते हैं, relax करते हैं. Due to this relaxation of these intercostal muscles, these rib cage, or we can say this thoracic cage, moves downward and inward. Okay, moves downward and inward. Okay, and one thing what happened, this diaphragm, what happened about this diaphragm, this diaphragm also relax, and during relaxation this diaphragm becomes of a dome shape. ये थोड़ा सा अपवर्ड मूव हो जाता है. ओके, डायफ्रागम रिलैक्सेस एंड मूव्स अप. ओके, सो डायफ्रागम मूव हो गया अप, and this thoracic cage moves downward and inward. Okay, and due to this what happened, the whatever the air pressure present inside the thoracic cavity is increases, क्योंकि वॉल्यूम कम हो गया. वॉल्यूम क्या हो गया यहाँ पे thoracic cavity में कम हो गया, क्योंकि ये जो डायफ्रागम है वो ऊपर आ गया, इट मूव्स अपवर्ड. उसके बाद ये जो thoracic cage है ये थोड़ा डाउनवर्ड और इनवर्ड आ गया, तो इसकी वजह से अंदर प्रेशर जो है वो डिक्रीज हो गया, प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो गया, सॉरी, प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो गया. एंड दैट्स व्हाई अगेन टेंडेंसी ऑफ एयर किसके कंपैरेटिव कम हो गया, एटमॉस्फेरिक एयर के कंपैरेटिव. सो there is a tendency of air that it moves from high pressure to the low pressure. So यहाँ से जो एयर है वो क्या हो जाएगी, बाहर के साइड में रश हो जाएगी, and that is called as the expiration. So through lungs, trachea, then pharynx and nostrils through क्या हो जाएगा, ये जो एयर है वो बाहर चली जाएगी. That is called as the expiration. Okay. Now these together, one inspiration and one expiration together form one breathe. Okay, so this is inspiration and expiration. So let us see again what happens during inhalation means inspiration. So here ribs moves out, diaphragm moves down, making the chest cavity bigger. Then air rushes into the lungs and they inflate. Okay. Further, during exhalation, ribs moves downward and inward, diaphragm moves up, chest cavity is reduced, air rushes out of the lungs and the lungs grow smaller. Okay, so this is the inspiration and the expiration, and together they form the breathing mechanism. Okay, so students, just count your um, breathing rate per minute and keep it for your record. And you can also experience the inspiration and expiration, that during inspiration and expiration what kind of movements takes place of thoracic cage. Okay, and you can observe also. So this is all about the breathing mechanism. If you understood this breathing mechanism, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.